Hello guys, welcome to Shimdi's show in our new episode. First of all, we are really happy to receive your feedbacks, comments, and we are trying to implement it in our way. We hope that you will continue supporting us. It really means a lot to Shimdi's team. So let's start our episode. So today we will talk about technology, communication, and how is the concept of social media affecting us every day. So there is a question which is a really important one. If social media really start to exist in this generation, I mean like after 2003 with Facebook and platforms like that, I think the answer is no, basically, because as we all know, the concept of social media is about sharing, is about texting, sending messages. It exists from the first time human comes to this universe. We used to send letters to each other. After that, we used to, and we still using radio to communicate, to share information. After that, we started using computers, network, and we started using platforms such as Facebook to communicate, which is the modern social media. But let's focus on something. Social media, smartphones are really helpful in our daily life. And let me tell you a story about myself. For example, right now I'm a resident in Turkey, and during this pandemic it's really hard to survive, to talk with people, and to find opportunities, offers, and stuff. So for me, without my cell phone, without my smartphone, I cannot communicate with people here. I don't speak Turkish very well. My Turkish is so basic. Every time I'm trying to explain something, it takes a long time and people get bored. So fortunately I have my smartphone, so I'm using Google Translator to explain to people. I'm using other kind of apps to see what comments, like to understand the Turkish culture. Also, I'm using, for example, Google Maps to find my way, and there is another app for transportation which is very helpful here. So when you're traveling or when you're communicating with someone foreign here, smartphone is so powerful. Also, for example, when you want to learn something new, there is a platform for developers called Free Code Camp. I really recommend it to people because the content is so interesting, and I did one of the certification and it helped me a lot in my career and in my professional life. So in Free Code Camp you can learn, you can share, you can show people what you can do. Also, for example, I'm using Anchor to record this podcast. So guys, if you want to start a podcast, you can use this app also. There is there is plenty of platforms to create content. There is plenty of platforms to learn, to share, to show people that you're capable of creating something. For example, there is some people who are using TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, so they can promote to their business, so they can be ambassadors. So social media is something positive in a way, and it's something helpful in a way, and technology really improving our life. But this is only if we know how to use it, because if we just use Instagram, for example, to see pictures and to watch IGTV, so we are just consumers. We are not interactive, and we are using social media in a negative way. Because okay, it's good, like it's something for amusement to watch videos, pictures, other people sharing, but honestly, if we are using social media as a consumer only, then it's gonna start to affecting us in a bad way. We will start feeling bad, or we will start feeling that we need stuffs we don't have, which is not true, because everyone have something special, and we don't have to be like so cool so we can survive. I can be not talented in anything. I mean, not talented in anything that people are showing in Instagram, but I can have another talent. I can be a writer. I don't know, I can be something else. Maybe I have a hidden talent, a talent that people don't know about it yet. So the point is, guys, use social media carefully. I know there is a lot of people who talked about this subject, and like everyone is saying, oh, social media is bad, or we need to stop using it. But the truth is, what I believe is, we should not stop using social media. We should use social media in a right way, because social media is really helpful. Social media is really something that can change our lives. Without social media, I will not find a rent, for example. Without social media, I will not find opportunities to travel, or I will not find someone to recommend to me what to watch, what to listen to, what to do. Sometimes people are giving very good advices on social media, so it's good to use it, but it's bad to use it just as a consumer. You should be interactive, create a content, show people what you can do. Do not see others as superior than you. All people are equal, all people have something special. And also, do not just live your daily life in social media. Do not spend hours and hours. Like, use it carefully. There is other things in life. So also, when you wanna share something in social media, you don't have to share everything. You don't have to share your food all the time. You don't have to share what are you doing minute by minute. Just share what is important, what can help others. Maybe a special moment, but not just, hey guys, I bought a new shoes. Okay, you bought a new shoes. That's something good for you. But I don't know, if you, for example, if you're gonna recommend something to me, which is something good, maybe, but I don't know. A lot of people are using social media to make it toxic. So I really love seeing people sharing moments, and I really love sharing moments also. But sometimes when I see some, I don't know, posts or stuff, and see people sharing unnecessary thing to be shared to stranger people, I feel so bad, you know. Also, if you receive a content that you don't like, do not just scroll and move and just read something else. If you don't like the content, just delete it. Just stop follow it. I don't know. You should select your content on Facebook, on Instagram, because when you are seeing a content you don't like, it's going to make you feel bad. So you don't have to see it every time. Just do something about it. So I'm happy to share, and I'm happy to have the opportunity to share and to show people what I'm capable of, to show people that I can do something, that I can develop and create and be productive in society. And I'm happy also for other people to do that, because they can do that. So that's it for today. So happy again to share this content with you. Please, if you have any feedbacks, anything to add, just share it with me, and the next episode will be the last in this season. So let's meet in the next episode then. See you soon, guys. Goodbye.